You might be thinking about going vegan, but how do you decide? Let's keep it easy. Hey guys, welcome back to Natural Vegan Mama. If you don't know me, my name is Shantae. I'm a vegan coach. And on my channel, we share lots of recipes, vegan tips, food hauls, and everything that you need to go vegan. I'm so happy to see you guys. But before we get started, this video is actually a part of a series. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video that's coming up. Every time I post a video, you'll get a little notification on your phone. It'll just pop up out of nowhere. It's kind of like having a vegan coach in your pocket. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Anytime you decide to make a big change in your life, the first thing you have to do is decide to do it. Positive changes take a lot of energy behind it to make it successful, and you making the determination that you're going to decide to do something is already putting so much energy in that area. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why people decide to go vegan. People decide to go vegan because either they want to live a healthier lifestyle, they also could go vegan because they have health concerns and they want to be healthier. They know that going plant-based or going vegan will alleviate those health concerns. People also go vegan because they want to help the environment, and they realize from the information that they've been acquiring, a lot of the environmental pollution and things that are going on in the rainforest, as well as the water consumption and the grain that is being grown to feed to animals, all of those things are harming our environment, and people are learning about those things and they decide to go vegan because of that reason. People also decide to go vegan because they maybe have a lot of weight to lose. That also goes back to the health concerns, but sometimes it may not be a humongous health concern. It may also be that they just want to be more fit and lose some weight. Another reason why people go vegan is because they don't believe that animals are meant to be harmed. They don't believe that animals should be exploited in any way. They learn over time that there are a lot of animal rights advocates out there, and they're gaining information from them and coming to an understanding that animals are, in their own right, sentient beings just like we are. They have feelings, they feel pain, and people that decide to go vegan because of animal rights decide that they don't want any part of animal consumption. They don't want to have anything to do with animals being harmed. Now that we've talked about some of the reasons why people decide to go vegan, we can think about the fact that you don't have to go vegan for one of those reasons only. You know, people are multifaceted, and you can decide that you want to go vegan because you don't want to harm animals, but you also may have some weight to lose. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop into the video really quick to let you know you can sign up for my newsletter. If you sign up for my newsletter on my website, naturalveganmama.com, you'll get recipes, tips, and you'll get your own private vegan coach delivered right to your email box. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. Or you may have come up in the environmental rights activist community and decide that you put the link together that consuming animals doesn't really go along with being an environmentalist. And so you can have different combinations. You can go vegan for all of those things, one of those things, 2 of them together. As long as you do your research and figure out why you want to go vegan, it's perfectly fine, but deciding is the most important thing. So once you decide to go vegan, I always tell people to pick a date. Pick a date that you're going to start your transition, and that is going to help you, give you some time so that you can do all the other things that you need to do to get ready for your transition. So the main takeaway for this video, guys, is to figure out why you want to go vegan, and then set a date that you're going to start your transition to going vegan. The next video up in this series is talking about what kind of transition style you're going to have. There's definitely different types of transition styles, so make sure you subscribe so that you can get the next video in this series. Bye, talk to you later.